Losing a loved one is undoubtedly one of life's most challenging experiences. Amidst the grief and emotional weight, families are often faced with a complex maze of legal responsibilities. For residents dealing with an estate in Middlesex County, this means navigating the Probate and Family Court in Cambridge, Massachusetts. The legal terminology, the paperwork, and the court procedures can quickly feel overwhelming. That is why we have created this comprehensive guide to help you understand what to expect and how to prepare. Please note that the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. What exactly is probate, and when do you actually need to go through it? In Massachusetts, probate is the legal process of transferring a deceased person's assets to their rightful beneficiaries. But here is the key. Probate is only required when assets are held in the decedent's name alone. Many families try to avoid probate because it can be time-consuming and public. You can bypass the process entirely if assets are set up with joint ownership, placed in a revocable living trust, or have direct beneficiary designations, like those on life insurance policies or retirement accounts. If probate is unavoidable, but the estate is relatively small, Massachusetts offers a simplified process known as voluntary administration. Sitting down with your family and a qualified attorney can help you navigate these documents and decide the best path forward. Before diving into the legal process, let's clarify a few key probate terms. A decedent is simply the legal term for the person who has passed away. Their estate encompasses everything they owned, including real estate, vehicles, and bank accounts. A will is the formal legal document outlining exactly how those assets should be distributed. The executor, also known as a personal representative in Massachusetts, is the individual appointed to manage and settle this estate. Heirs and beneficiaries are the people entitled to receive the assets. The entire process is overseen by the probate court, which ensures the estate is administered correctly. If you are dealing with an estate in Cambridge, your primary destination is the Middlesex Probate and Family Court, located at 208 Cambridge Street, Cambridge, Massachusetts, 02141. This courthouse serves the residents of Middlesex County. Inside these doors, the court handles a wide variety of sensitive matters. While their jurisdiction includes family law, guardianships, adoptions, and name changes, our focus today is on the probate of wills. You can find their contact information and hours on the official Massachusetts court website. The Massachusetts probate process can be broken down into 7 key steps. First is filing the petition. You must submit official court forms alongside the original will and a certified death certificate directly to the probate court. Next, the court requires giving formal notice to all interested parties. This involves mailing notifications to heirs, beneficiaries, and creditors, providing them a strict time frame to raise any objections. Assuming there are no objections, the court officially appoints the personal representative, traditionally called the executor. They receive letters of authority, granting full legal power to manage the estate. The representative must then compile a thorough inventory of the deceased's assets. This detailed list covers real estate, bank accounts, and personal property, and is usually due within 90 days. Before any inheritances can be distributed, the estate must settle its financial obligations. The representative is responsible for paying off valid debts, medical bills, and any state or federal taxes. Once debts and taxes are fully cleared, the remaining assets are finally distributed. This transfer of wealth follows the exact terms of the will, or Massachusetts intestacy laws if necessary. Finally, the estate is officially closed. The representative files a final accounting with the court, detailing all transactions, formally concluding the Cambridge probate process and bringing closure to the family. Navigating the probate and family court system can seem daunting, but resources are available. The Massachusetts Trial Court website is a great starting point, offering access to necessary forms, court rules, and convenient e-filing options. For complex matters, legal research or professional guidance is crucial. Reach out to legal aid organizations or local groups like the Massachusetts Bar Association. They can connect you with experienced attorneys and provide invaluable support. Finally, online directories like probateus.com serve as a comprehensive resource. This platform makes it easy to locate your local probate court and access the vital information needed to move forward with your case. Families in Cambridge often ask how long probate takes. For a straightforward estate in the Middlesex County Probate and Family Court, the process typically takes 6 to 12 months. However, Massachusetts law gives creditors 1 year from the date of death to file claims. Because of this, an estate cannot be officially closed until that year has passed. Complex estates involving disputes can stretch this timeline much further. Probate also involves notable costs. Standard expenses include court filing fees, executor compensation, appraisal fees, bond premiums, and attorney fees, which usually form the largest share. You must also consider the Massachusetts estate tax. As of 2023, the state imposes this tax if the total estate value exceeds $2 million. Always consult a legal professional, as these tax thresholds are subject to change. While probate is a standard legal process, it is rarely without hurdles. In Cambridge, common challenges often begin with will contests and family disputes. Emotions run high, and disagreements over a loved one's final wishes can quickly complicate proceedings. Other significant hurdles include managing complex assets, such as closely held businesses or out-of-state real estate, and tracking down missing heirs. Locating every rightful beneficiary is required by Massachusetts law before an estate can be settled. Finally, navigating state and federal estate tax issues requires precise calculations. Because these challenges can cause severe delays, securing an experienced probate attorney is often essential. Dealing with probate or family court can be overwhelming. While you aren't required to have an attorney, hiring a local Cambridge probate lawyer can save you time, money, and significant stress. An experienced attorney will advise you on your rights, navigate the complex legal process, and prepare essential documents. They can also represent you in court, negotiate with creditors, and resolve difficult family disputes. When seeking representation, always ask for references and check reviews. If you need help starting, the Massachusetts Bar Association Lawyer Referral Service is an excellent resource. Navigating the probate process in Cambridge is often intertwined with deep personal loss. It is crucial to remember that you do not have to walk this difficult path alone. Seeking emotional support is just as important as managing the legal steps. Local resources throughout Middlesex County, including specialized grief counselors, community support groups, and compassionate religious organizations, are available to help you. Many online platforms also offer guidance. Taking care of your emotional well-being empowers you to handle your family's estate with clarity and peace. We hope this comprehensive guide has brought clarity to the often complex process of probate and family court in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Remember, you're not alone in navigating these difficult times. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any questions and subscribe to our channel for more guidance. For further assistance and resources, please visit funeralist.com. Thank you for watching.